Hello, my fellow veterans. Welcome back to the VA Claims Bootcamp. I'm Sam Kim, your Marine Corps veteran who's gone from 0 to 100% rating, mastering the AI VA claims process. And today we're diving into what makes a successful VA claim. If you ever wonder why some claims sail through approval while others get denied, it boils down to one thing: preparation. We're talking about winning formula that turns your hard-earned service into a benefits you deserve. So the formula is in-service event plus diagnosis plus treatment history equals claims approval. This isn't just theory, it's the roadmap VA adjudicators use every day. Nail these preparation steps and you're setting yourself up for a victory. Let's break it down step by step. First, the foundation, the in-service event. This is proof that your condition started or was aggravated during time in uniform. It could be a documented injury from your service treatment records like an IED blast or training accident, or an exposure like burn pits in Iraq under a PACT Act. If it's documented in your DD-214 medical files or even body statements, that's gold. An easy ratings decision. But if it's unreported or circumstantial, like chronic stress leading to PTSD, don't worry. We'll strengthen it with the following steps. Preparation tip: dig through your records now. Categorize events as direct, documented, or indirect, needs nexus. For indirect statements, prepare a personal statement detailing what happened. We'll cover killer statements in day 4. Next up, diagnosis. No diagnosis, no claim. It's that simple. You need a current official medical confirmation from a qualified doctor, preferably through a VA health system. Schedule that appointment via va.gov or your local VA clinic. Describe your symptoms straight from your brainstorming worksheet. I've had shooting pain down my legs since that ruck march in basic. If it's presumptive like asthma from Gulf War exposure, highlight it for a fast track. Preparation step: if you're using a private provider, use the VA Release of Information Form 21-4142 to pull those records. VA can fetch them for you. This turns vague complaints into concrete evidence. Now, the game changer: treatment history. This is your extensive paper trail showing continuity and severity, visits, medications, therapies, and tests over time. Veterans' biggest mistake: claiming without this. Bam! Rejected for lack of evidence. Build it by logging everything. Ibuprofen for back pain since 2010. Therapy sessions for anxiety. CPAP for sleep apnea. It proves your condition is a one-off. Compile records from VA e-benefits or digital records or VA Blue Button medical records downloads. If gap exists, start treatments as soon as possible to create that trail. For secondaries like depression from chronic pain, show how treatments for the primary condition led to the new issue. Put it all together. In-service event proves origin. Diagnosis confirms it's real today. Treatment history shows impact and continuity. That's the nexus VA craves. An undeniable service connection. For documented events is straightforward approvals. For undocumented, lay in nexus letters from documents linking it all. We'll review the process of obtaining those letters soon. Real quick examples: take tinnitus. Event: artillery exposure from records. Diagnosis: VA audiology tests. History: hearing aid prescribed. Boom, 10% rating. Or undocumented PTSD event: deployment stress, personal statement, diagnosis VA, psych eval, history, ongoing counseling, and meds. Turn potential denials into mental health win. To make sure your claims align with these steps, I've included a handy checklist and audit worksheet in the module. Download that worksheet audit sheet now. You can print it out and write down your claimables to determine whether you had a sound claim or not. Now, I know this audit might seem unnecessary at first glance, but trust me, we don't want to waste time and effort chasing weak claims. This step lets you put down your best foot forward with the most viable ones, making them bulletproof so you get paid, my friend. Without it, you're risking that annoying endless ping pong between you and the VA, back and forth document requests, record hunts, yada yada yuck, and denial after denial. We're sorting it all out here at the upfront so you never have to go through that ordeal, okay? It's your tool to review each condition from your brainstorming list. Go line by line. Does it have a clear in-service event? Check. Current diagnosis? Check. Solid treatment history? Check. Use the worksheet to audit and flag any gaps, then fill them in before submitting. The self-audit ensures everything ties back to the formula. No loose ends, just approvals. It helps you to check the viability of your claim right away. Preparation is your weapon. Skip it and your claim goes up in smoke. But follow these steps and you're just dominating the battlefield. Review your worksheet, schedule that appointment, gather those records. Next, we will fill the form using this formula. Stay strong. You've earned this. Hoorah. See you in the next lesson.